Yeah, look at the question number 5. The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that TR equal to RS equal to SU and then AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Now name the rational numbers represented by PQ represented by P, Q, R, S. Okay, yes. Now, so what we can observe from the given figure? Yes, distance between A and B is what? A and B 1 unit, because A and B 2 to 3, then distance between A and B is what? 1 unit. Am I right here? Now, this 1 unit is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. That is, it's given that clearly AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Therefore, this one part is divided into 3 parts. That means AP equal to PQ equal to QB. AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Am I right? So, how you can write that? AP equal to PQ equal to QB among these 3 parts. Right? AP is 1 unit, PQ is 1 unit, QB is also 1 unit. Are you getting it here? Yes. Then, after that, now what is the point P now? P is after 2 only. So what is the whole number here? That is 2. It's 2 1 by 3, 2 2 by 3, 2 3 by 3. Right? Here what is the whole number? Whole number is 2. After that it divides into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Then it will be 2 1 by 3, 2 2 by 3, 2 3 by 3. Then what is the value of P now? You have to find what are the, you have to find S, P, Q, R and S. So P that is equal to 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3. Otherwise 2 plus 1 by 3 also you can write. There is no issue. 2 plus 1 by 3. Am I right? So convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7 by 3. Are you getting there? Then Q. Q is nothing but 2. It's 2 1 by 3. It's 2 2 by 3. So 2 2 by 3 which is equal to 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8 by 3. It is what Q here. Am I right here? Yes. Now, look at this one. Between U and T, how many unit? Only 1 unit. Only 1 unit. The distance between U and T is what? 1 unit. Now, it's this minus 1 and minus 2 divided into how many parts? 3 parts. TR, RS and SU. TR equal to RS equal to SU equal to 1 unit. That is 1 by 3. These are the equal parts only. These are the equal parts. It's given that TR equal to RS equal to SU. Am I right? That is, it's divided. TU, it's divided into 3 parts. Okay. So it is minus 1. It's a whole number. Minus 1 after. Minus 1 1 by 3. Minus 1 2 by 3. Minus 2 3 by 3. Are you getting there? So that R is minus 1 1 by 3. That means 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. Then it is equal to minus 4 by 3. What is S? S is minus 1. Then 1 minus 1 1 by 3 minus 1 2 by 3. Then 3 1 into 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. So it should be minus 5 by 3. Then it is minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. That's all. So we found P, Q, R as well as S. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question now? The question number 6. Question number 6. Check which of the following pairs represent the same rational number. Represent the same rational number. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number. It's very simple. Just to reduce into the lowest form. Otherwise, if the given two fractions are equivalent, then the rational numbers are same. Otherwise, not same. Okay. Now, first one is minus 7 by 21. It is question number 6. First part, minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. 3 by 9. First you can reduce into the lowest form. Minus 7 by 21. I think it goes with 3 table here. Sorry, 7 table. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. Then it is minus 1 by 3. That is minus 7 by 21 can be written as minus 1 by 3. 3 by 9. Yes, 3 by 9 can be written as, which one is a common multiple? 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 by 3. But minus 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, these two rational numbers are not same. These two rational numbers are not same. Am I right? Therefore, the given pair is not represent the same rational number. Not represent the same rational number. Are you getting there? Yes. Look at the next part in the same question. It's given that minus 16 by 20, minus 16 by 20 and 20 by minus 25. Now reduce into the lowest form. Otherwise, write down in the standard form. Minus 16 by 20 can be written as. So what's a common multiple? Yeah, common multiple is what? 4. So you can divide by 4. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. Then it can be written as minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Then 20 by minus 25. These can be written as minus 20 by 25. So which one is a common multiple? 5. So 5 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Then it is minus 4 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Therefore, if the given pair is represent the same rational number. The given pair represent same rational number. The given pair represent same rational number. Am I right here? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? Yes. Look at the next part. That is 2 by minus 3, minus 2 by minus 3 and 2 by 3. Minus 2 by minus 3 and minus 2 by minus 3 and 2 by 3. Minus 2 by minus 3 and 2 by 3. I think this given pair represents the same rational number because minus 2 by minus 3 can be written as 2 by 3. That's all. Already it is in the standard form only. So you cannot simplify more. So you can keep as it is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 already it is in the standard form 2 by 3. Now both the rational numbers are same. Therefore, given pair represent same rational number. Given pair represent same rational number. Am I right here? Yes. Look at the fourth part now. What is the fourth part given for us? That fourth part is minus 3 by 5 and minus 12 by 20. Now simplify minus 3 by 5, which is equal to minus 3 by 5 because already it is in the standard form. Minus 12 by 20. Minus 12 by 20. Which one is the common multiple? Yeah, that is 4 you can write. So minus 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, 5 fours are 20, minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 equal to minus 3 by 5. Therefore, given pair represent same rational number. Representing same rational number. Yes. Are you getting there? Given pair represent same rational number. Okay. Now, the fifth part, it is given for you 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. Fifth one, 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. Eight by minus 5, you can write like minus 5 from minus 5 by 8. So it's in the standard form. Minus 24 by 15. Minus 24 by 15. Now write in the standard form. What's a common multiple? 3. So 8 3s are 24. 5 3s are 15. Minus 8 by 5. So minus 5 by 8 is not equal to minus 8 by 5. Therefore, given pair is not represent the same rational number. Not representing the same rational number. Then sixth part is 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. Here 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 9. Am I right? 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 9. Therefore, the given pair is not represent the same rational number. Given pair is not represent the same rational number. Not represent same rational number. Given pair is not represent the same rational number. Am I right here? Yes. Last part in this question, that is minus 5 by minus 9 and 5 by minus 9. So minus 5 by minus 9 means 5 by 9. So when we are writing in the standard form, 5 by minus 9 means minus 5 by 9, but 5 by 9 is not equal to minus 5 by 9. Therefore, the given pair is not represent the same rational number. Are you getting there? What you can conclude? 5 by 9 is not equal to minus 5 by 9. Therefore, the given pair is not represent the same rational number. Are you getting there? So, we completed 2 questions today, 5 and 6. And then tomorrow we will do 7, 8 and 9. Are you getting there? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.